is Dr. Christy Ennis. Today we are working on getting our abs engaged, but also keeping our heart rates up so we can even burn a little bit of fat while we go. So all you need today is a chair, which clearly I'm sitting in. You're gonna get to the edge of that chair, engage in through those abs, pull that belly button in just gently, lean back a touch so that you feel your abs engage, but not feel your back. Do not feel your back be achy or sore, and let's get started. So you're gonna go ahead and do one leg up and the other. Getting those hip flexors involved a little bit too, but also obviously getting in through those abs. We're gonna try to target all those ab muscles. We're adding arm movement into, again, to help keep our heart rate up here. We're gonna do a few more of these and then we're adding on. You can even make a little harder drive to really get that heart rate going even a little bit more. And we're gonna do one more on each leg. And like I said, we're gonna add on here. So now we're gonna go knee to elbow, opposite. Should have said that too, opposite knee to elbow. At any time you need to, go ahead and take a break and rest your back against the backrest. But try to keep engaged or come back to it when you can, when you feel good. Anytime too you need to take a break at all, go ahead and take a break. That's fine. Who was it that said that? Maybe McDonald's, you deserve a break today? I can't remember. Marketing works, people. Keep it going, keep it going. It's gonna get more as we go. One more on each side. Nice. Now you're gonna take both of those legs together. I'm gonna put my hands right on that chair. You're coming up and over. Woo! This is definitely a challenge. 4, I don't know, I'm a terrible counter. I'm making up numbers. It's like, go here. We're gonna go until I feel like I'm tired and we need to stop a little bit. Numbers sometimes actually don't really mean all that much. We do wanna work those muscles until they get a little bit fatigued. That's more important than the number of repetitions. Here we go, one more like that. Good, I'm gonna bring my legs down now and we're gonna go, keep those hands up. We're gonna go with a cross punch. And as you do this, you want to try not to sway your whole body. We're engaging in that core to keep us nice and steady, but we're getting our heart rates up a little bit more. We're going to do another punching one or two more punching ones in this too today. Nice and careful, obviously. Nice and firm, but also nice and careful so that you're not hurting your shoulder. If you need to tone that down a little bit, totally can. You guys know it's always important to listen to your body, as long as it's telling you the right things. All right, one more on each side, and then we're moving on. I'm gonna go a little bit wider with my legs. Arms are gonna come out. I'm gonna go and windmill down, reach towards that opposite foot, squeeze those abs to come back up. Try to keep a flat back as you do this here. There's 2, we're gonna do 10 total. I am counting. 3, 4, 5, nice deliberate motion here. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we're gonna take knee to elbow, this time same knee, same elbow, and we're gonna squeeze into that side. We're doing 10 on each side. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, switching sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going back to a punching. This time we're gonna get those uppercuts going. And at any time, if you feel like the ab stuff's getting too much, or maybe your legs are even getting tired, but you still wanna move, go back to any of these punches. You're still moving, you're still getting your heart rate up, you're still doing something, and that's really important. Don't punch yourself in the face. Seems like a simple thing, but I've had people do it. Almost there. With this one, we're not done. Couple more. Good, one more on each side. Awesome, okay. We're gonna take those legs together this time, and now we're lifting both knees up. Ooh, and down with control. Don't let them just thump. There's 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna add some arms in. Up and over. 6, 7, 8, 9, ooh, and 10. Okay, come back up. Bring those arms together. This one's a little funky, but it's fun. Funky and fun. You're gonna bring those arms like you're kind of churning butter, and you're bringing your body back And we're almost doing like a little hula hoop motion with that whole body. So we're back, we're side, we're forward along with those arms. We could do the lawnmower too while we're at it. Let's get all those 1980s or maybe they're 1990s dances. We're gonna do one more in this direction. And switch directions, maybe. Right? I'm getting my legs going almost the opposite direction as my arms are. So I'm really using that torso to move me along. Don't worry if you get the pattern messed up. As long as you're going in a circle, you are good to go. We are almost there. All right, last one is the hardest one in my opinion. We're gonna bring those legs up. You can hang on to that chair and you're gonna go extend and back. Like a little can almost. There's 3, 4, just 10, 5, 6, maybe look mono hands, 7, 8, snap, crackle, pop, 9, and 10. Nice job.